It is September 5th and it's 20 minutes prior to the news. We had entered this long 40 minutes prior to the news, spelling out that we expected quite a monumental rally. So what do I expect? I expect for oil supply to show up a bit low and for a rally to continue. We got this rally at the very inception of the trend at 107.38. Currently my trail is outside of break-even, moving my trail to 107.50. Pay attention to what happens with my price when danger zone level is reached. Very sharp and very volatile formation that respected highly decision point 1 for about 15 minutes is taking a pause at the danger zone. That's how price moves. So let's see what price will do and if we'll still be in this trade during news release. I don't want to adjust my trail too closely, but I completely expected this because phenomenal bullish formations had been formed overnight on oil. So if oil will blast through all of my targets on 13 range, I'll be going into much larger time frame expansion. Pure price is simple. Pure price tells you very far in advance everything you need to know. And pure price will always override the news. So let's see what oil will do next. 42 ticks later. Please take some profits off the table at this level. Let's monitor this pullback very carefully. I do expect a pullback, don't be fooled, because danger zone is here. To the upside, the end of the minor trend will be 108.45, 108.86, 109.49. Adjusting my trail on oil to 107.57. I don't want to trail too close because I do expect a pullback. Oil is taking a very major pause as expected. So as you could see very clearly, all the levels projected very far in advance. Look here, 108.45, 108.86, 109.49 and further. We got this trade at the very inception of the trend. Let's see what oil will do next. What is my biggest concern? Danger zone pullback. We know when price reaches danger zone, it will become incredibly tired. And as you could see, the most volatile rally that started after price broke through our very critical level, decision point 1, which was the end of the minor trend. Price has taken a major pause, as expected. So I'm not adjusting my trail way too close. Here we are, 53 points later, 53 ticks later. But I also know the fact that oil news is one of the most volatile events ever. The only reason I will remain in the trade if I'm in significant profit and my stop outside of break-even. It is 15 minutes to the news event and my stop is well outside of break-even. And here is the pullback we're monitoring. It can be quite vicious because we know two things happens when price reaches danger zone: major trend reversal or major trend opposite trend correction. That's what happened on oil when oil reached danger zone from initial structure, and this is exactly where ES is dancing despite receiving the most spectacular unemployment news in 4 years. This quite phenomenal rally is not getting very far at all. So there we go. Ta-da! Dot trade, dot taking doubles. How predictable. The best video game in town if you know how to play by the rules. It is 10 minutes till the news. Our price had reached ultimate destination, danger zone levels. My trail is not too close because I know that if I adjust my trail any closer, I'm going to be out in just a second. I do know that oil is the most volatile news ever. outside of very few more important events. Therefore, I'm giving it just a tiny bit of a breathing room. So far, 54 ticks. We knew this prior to news release. We discussed this at 9:15 this morning in Alpha Wave Traders Club. That when the buyers will show up, they will show up with very, very serious intentions. So currently price just simply needs a confirmation. Not enough oil for a trend to continue all the way into these levels. It is 2 minutes till the news. The fun will just begin. It is 1 minute till the news. My trail is outside of break-even on oil. Well outside of break-even. 4 targets had been reached. Oil news at any moment.